If you lost access to your Cash App account and not sure how to recover it, this video will walk you through the updated recovery process so you can get back into your account safely. So the first thing that you need to do is open your Cash App on your mobile phone. If you are logged out, tap Sign In. This will take you to the login screen and where you can begin the account recovery process. Next, enter the email address or phone number that is linked to your Cash App account. Make sure it's the same one you originally used when creating your account. Now, tap on Forgot Password. Cash App will send a verification code to your email or SMS depending on your account settings. And then I want you to check your email or text messages for the verification code. This is very important that you need to enter it into the Cash App to confirm your identity. This step not only is important for security because once verified, you'll be prompted to create a new password. And I want you to choose a strong password that you haven't used before, then confirm it. Now, if you no longer have access to your email or phone number, you need to tap the Need Help or contact the Cash App support directly. You may be asked to verify your identity using personal information, and in some cases, Cash App may require additional verification. This could include your full name, date of birth, or recent transaction details to confirm that the account belongs to you. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you recover your Cash App account using the latest method. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next one.